The woman who was shot by that APD officer is identified as 30-year-old Morgan Rankins. She was shot and killed after police say she lunged at officers with a knife.
KXAN's crime reporter Leslie Rangel has details from the scene where the shooting happened on what the district attorney's office is doing to make sure the officer's actions did not violate any laws.
Now during the daylight, we're getting a clearer picture of exactly what happened here off Manchac and Calabar Lane. You can see right here where police say the car hit the curb. There is loose debris here, and you can see what seemed to be like tire tracks that stop right here in this wooded ditch. And I even found debris like the shattered side mirror. We've been working all day long to figure out more on the investigations. Police say Wednesday's incident began with a 911 hang-up call from a home in this neighborhood. Then a woman driving a white Charger led police on a chase. APD says she tried to run over several officers and then crashed off Manchac. Police say the woman got out of her car and approached them.
The officer said she raises her right hand above her shoulder and has a knife in her hand and begins to come at him at a fast rate of speed, at which point he gives multiple commands to drop, 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 and ultimately he fires his weapon once she is so close that he felt his life was in danger.
Why are we not talking about when people of color are displaying signs of mental illness or something that is crying out something's wrong here, we kill them?
It's a complicated answer, but Travis County District Attorney Margaret Moore says a new civil rights unit from her office will investigate to make sure the officer is held accountable if he did commit a crime.
This community, I think, wants some sort of assurance from an independent elected official that when an officer is involved in an incident like last night, that it's not just his own people evaluating the situation.
Her unit will gather all evidence the police department is looking at and then make a determination. In Austin, Leslie Rangel, KXAN News.
There are essentially 4 investigations that the officer involved is facing now. There is a special investigations unit. That's where the department is evaluating their own officer to see if he committed a crime in shooting and killing that woman. Then there is the DA's Civil Rights Unit investigation that looks at the same thing independently. They will also look to see if there were any policy violations. The Police Monitor's Office does their own investigation independent from APD, and APD Internal Affairs does their own investigation to figure out if there was any policy violation.
A 21